How to fix templates on CapCut Mobile. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide will show you how you can fix the problem if the CapCut templates not showing or getting different errors or having any kind of problem on your device. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. So from my device, if I open up the CapCut here, and if I go to the templates here, you'll get to see it's not showing any templates, getting different errors. So whatever the problem is, here is how you actually can fix the problem. So before you do anything, make sure you have a stable internet connection on your device. And right after that, you just need to open up the Play Store. And then simply go ahead and search for VPN here. And once you have searched with the VPN, so go ahead and install any of this VPN that you want. So I already installed this VPN on my device, so you can install this one. And once you have installed the VPN, you just need to open this up and go through the process and connect this VPN to a US server. And once the VPN gets connected, you just need to get back from here. Now this time, you just need to press and hold the CapCut application and tap on App Info. And from here, you just need to scroll down, tap on App Permissions, and make sure you have it allowed all the permissions from here. Then get back from here, and then scroll down and tap on Connection Method. And you just need to enable all this option. You just need to check mark all of these, including Wi-Fi, mobile data, and mobile data too. And then tap on OK. And lastly, go ahead and tap on Battery Saver and select No Restrictions. And then get back from here, tap on Clear Data, tap on Clear Cache, tap on OK. And you're pretty much good to go. You just need to force close the CapCut application from the background, and you're pretty much good to go. Now if you open up the CapCut here and go to the templates will be available right here, and you'll be able to use the templates on the CapCut. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel, or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.